Recording.
So the question is, how is manifestation connected to trauma work? How are they linked together and connected? And when you start doing trauma work and start healing aspects of yourself, the shadows that need healing, how do you become this powerful manifester? Well, often our beliefs around certain topics like money or love keep us in circular behavioral patterns that keep us attracting certain kinds of people or certain kinds of jobs or opportunities into our life. And so as we heal those beliefs, as we regress back into that trauma, analyze it, heal it, release it, and invite in new beliefs that serve us and feel light and clear, then our ability to manifest the life that we desire becomes available to us. So one example of that is in my life, I've been able to manifest a lifestyle that truly brings me happiness and joy and peace, and I'm exactly where I want to be. I currently live in Hawaii. I'm up on a hillside overlooking Honolulu. I have the space that I need, the peace that I need. Our family goes to the beach often. We're in nature often. We're embracing the tropical lifestyle that I love. I actually grew up on Maui. So the tropical lifestyle to me it very much feels like home. And I went to college in Seattle, where it was so dark and so cold and so rainy. I definitely was not in my element there. And then I kind of bounced around. I lived in Portland. I lived in Alaska. I did some travel work. So I was all over the world and all over the country. And then I finally ended up settling back to Hawaii. I've actually lived here 2 separate times in my adult life. The first time was I came for a wedding and ended up staying for a year and a half. And this time I'm back now with my family, and it just feels full circle. It feels like we've manifested the employment that my husband has, the employment that I get to do this work, which is powerful. And I really feel like finding MRSA Peer was also a manifestation. I was looking for something that was more powerful than the work I was already doing. I wanted to have a bigger impact on the people that I was serving. I was currently teaching, and while that was for 10, 13 years, I was able to really feel satisfied in that work. It ended up, my soul was wanting more. And it ended up feeling like I can do more with this. I really want something that's more powerful, that can really help people like transform in just one time with me versus 9 months and then another 9 months. And I wanted something that was more powerful. So I really feel like as I have healed my trauma, and there's still more work to do, there's always more work to do, but as I've untangled these big pieces, my life has really manifested to bring me the most joy. I'm really chasing my joy now, and I have given myself permission to do that. So by giving myself permission, I know there's no longer any guilt or, oh, I should be doing this or and all of the shoulds and all of the restrictions that we put on ourselves actually from beliefs from the past have been released. And so I get to truly live this free, abundant, incredible life. And so my work is to give that gift to others so that they can see that they truly are the man of their own powerful manifestor. They can create exactly the lifestyle that they want, and it's all available to them. So I just wanted to share that, how that is connected, how trauma work is connected to manifesting, and that you have this one beautiful life to live right now. And why not embrace it? Why not do the work and really become the person you want to be and create and manifest the life that you truly desire.